How to use Amazon price tracker feature. Well, hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can use Amazon's price tracker feature. Well, simply open up the Amazon app or head into amazon.com on the website and search for the particular product. You can click on the product to open its main detail piece, right? Once you open up the product's name to open up the main details piece, there at the top you'll find the product name, and this is the main piece, right? So you can see various options. Now, what you can do is look for the price history link or button located right next or below the current price. So you'll find the current price right here and you'll see price history beside it. Tap on it and you'll be able to see the price history over the past 30 days. You can see the price has for that particular product. Now, you can tap or click the option to view an interactive chart. Now you can ask the Alexa to keep a track and inform, and you can see set a price alert. You can tap on set a price alert and Alexa will set a price alert for that particular product. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.